Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are at the Arboretum in Arcadia for Lightscape. It is opening weekend, runs select nights through January 2nd. You have plenty of time to come on out here and experience the lights and the amazing music, soundtrack by Sony Music. And we've been out here the last few years, but this year it has been reimagined. There is a new direction the trail takes you to some new locations, some new installations. Let's do this. We're so excited. Again, it runs through January 2nd, so you have plenty of time. And I'm trying to yell over this copyrighted music. Now, each installation along the trail has a soundtrack that goes along with it. We may not be able to play all of that because it is copyrighted, and YouTube gets kind of weird with copyrighted music. So we'll let you hear as much as we can. In other spots, we'll go ahead and edit in our own music so you can still enjoy the visuals. Let's head on into the Arboretum here in Arcadia. The centerpiece of Lightscape is the cathedral, which is this massive light tunnel. It kind of looks like a cathedral from the outside. It is absolutely beautiful. about halfway through the trail, there are restrooms, or I think there was another restroom before that, but there is a little snack stand and a bar for hot dogs, nachos, warm drinks, alcoholic beverages, things like that. That is it from Lightscape 2023, completely reimagined, new trail, new installations, absolutely beautiful. You have to check it out. It runs select nights through January 2nd here at the Arboretum in Arcadia. The soundtrack, that music from Sony Music, fits it perfectly. I wish we could have let you hear all of that music. I know a lot of it is copyrighted, but it is absolutely perfect for the installations. My favorite, I think, was that arch. And the one that you walk through with the balls hanging. I'll put the titles down in the description, I don't remember. But plenty of food choices here, food trucks, little snack bars, and bars, hot chocolate throughout the trail. So come hungry, come ready with the family. A perfect outing for the holidays with family and friends. That is Lightscape here at the Arboretum. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. And follow us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog. And a big thank you to the Arboretum for having us out here tonight. We absolutely loved it and enjoyed it. See you soon.
We celebrate Kwanzaa because it's a way to teach the principles that we must learn to read the wealth of every seed we sow.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays. The chicken nachos from just the Lightscape booth here by the fountain. Pretty legit.